For those who love cooking even when on the road, the 2025 Cardinal 33CH fifth wheel RV is an absolute game changer. Unlike most RVs where the kitchen is an afterthought, this model centers its entire design around one thing: the kitchen. If you can't imagine a vacation without home-cooked meals, the 33CH is tailor-made for you. Cardinal is one of the oldest and most respected fifth-wheel brands in the U.S., known for combining luxury and affordability. Since joining the Forest River family in the late 1990s, it has focused on delivering full-profile luxury RVs that offer comfort without breaking the bank. The 33CH is one of the smaller models in Cardinal's lineup, but packs some of the biggest kitchen features and smart space use you'll find in a fifth-wheeler. At just 38.2 feet long, the 33CH manages to fit a spacious rear kitchen that truly stands out. The kitchen is a U-shaped masterpiece, equipped with residential-style finishes, ample counter space, and loads of storage. It features a large 16-cubic-foot 12V fridge and freezer, a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and a microwave, giving you everything you need to whip up meals on the go. Whether it's breakfast pancakes or a full holiday dinner, this kitchen lets you cook it all without feeling cramped. The layout of the 33CH cleverly places the kitchen at the rear, the bedroom at the front, and the middle section dedicated to living and working spaces. This includes an entertainment lounge with a smart TV and a cozy 5,000 BTU electric fireplace. The lounge offers manual recliners and a tri-fold sofa that doubles as a guest bed, providing comfort for family or friends. One of the standout features is the large panoramic window on the campside slide, believed to be the industry's largest, flooding the interior with natural light and offering a stunning view wherever you park. The home office space next to the dinette slide makes it easy to mix work and play, something many modern RVers appreciate. The bedroom up front is designed with comfort in mind, offering a king-sized bed with storage underneath, a dresser, shelving, and a large wardrobe. There is also prep for a washer and dryer, adding a home-like convenience for longer trips. The bathroom, though compact, is thoughtfully designed with a fiberglass shower, vanity with storage, and a foot-flush toilet. Extra touches like a dedicated linen closet and space for a laundry basket highlight how every inch of space is optimized. Built for year-round use, the 33CH features aluminum frame construction with 2-inch vacuum-bonded walls insulated with high-density foam. Heated holding tanks and an enclosed armored underbelly make it suitable for colder climates. Standard climate control includes a 35,000 BTU furnace, a 5,000 BTU fireplace, and an 18,000 BTU ducted air conditioner. Buyers can add up to 2 more AC units for extra comfort. Practical features include 2 LED-lit awnings, 4-point auto leveling for easy setup, pre-wiring for solar panels, and a backup camera. There's also a lockable propane bay and generous fresh, gray, and black water tank capacities that make extended trips hassle-free. The 33CH's gross vehicle weight rating is 13,885 pounds, with a cargo capacity of 3,327 pounds, making it a robust and reliable option for those seeking a smaller luxury fifth wheel without sacrificing comfort or functionality. Priced with an MSRP of $91,480, the 33CH can often be found on sale, like the featured unit offered at $62,988, with add-in extras like additional AC units. For RV enthusiasts who value a top-tier kitchen and smart design, the 2025 Cardinal 33CH is a brilliant choice that brings the comforts of home on the road.